Hello guys, welcome to another trading video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we are trading British pound versus US dollar. I hope you will like the video. If you learned something from this video, please do like it. Now let's apply for trade. Our entry is at the right place. See you guys a little later. Guys, we have $4,131 in this account, which has to grow with risk management and proper rules. We are currently losing more than $500. We will try to grow the account like the previous one. We have applied buy trade here because we have created a very good opportunity for buy trade. Right now we are not able to know the market trend because the market has moved both up and down. Now let us create a trend channel through that we will understand the market trend. The market was moving downwards, creating resistance points on this trend line, which we call lower high points. The market was following the trend line very well. This trend line of ours is perfectly drawn. The second trend line will be connected at lower low points with the same angle. The market is moving towards down by creating other lower lows and lower highs in the trend channel. This is where the market has breakout the trend line, which has created a very good buying opportunity, where we have applied a buy trade. Now we will see where the market will go next. Now we will draw strong support resistance level. From this we can find the exact reverse position. It is very important to draw this level. Our stop loss will also be known from this level. For this I am taking the rectangle tool. At this level the market has repeatedly reversed, due to which multiple support resistance points have been created here, which is important for us. You can see that the market has created support and resistance points on all these points. In future also we will see reverse points at this level. Here also the market took resistance at this level and then broke it and created support, which created a resistance, become support pattern here, which is a strong pattern of uptrend. High probability chance the market will go up from here because the market has broken the strong support resistance level along with the trend line, which gives us a very good buying side signal. Guys, our analysis work is complete. Now we have to place stop loss and target point. Only then we will be able to exit the market at the right place. Here my stop loss will be below the strong support resistance level and outside the trend channel, which is 15 pips down. If the market hits our stop loss, then there are more chances that the market will move back down, and the target point will be 30 pips above. The market will have to go to make higher highs. Till the market does not hit the target, we will not close the trade. Guys, the amount of loss we were incurring earlier is the same. Now we are incurring profit. All this happens because of our patience. That is why psychology should always be kept strong in trading. Guys, if we want we can book this much profit, but then we cannot achieve bigger targets, so always exit the trade after stop loss or target is hit and then stay in the market. If you keep doing this continuously, then after some time you will be profitable. Now you must be understanding well from which reason we have applied the trade. Guys, are available after stop loss or target is hit.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it though. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions.
Very nice move. The market respected our setup, due to which we saw very good moves. The market is very close to our profit target, which is going to hit after some time. With this type of simple analysis we can make very good profit. Here you can see that the market moved very close to our stop loss, but we did not close the trade in between, which gave us very good profit. We got guys after the target was hit.
A few moments later.
Guys, we have hit the target with very good strikes. Have we followed our rules well here and have seen good results? The market is currently moving up very fast. Here we now do further analysis so that we can understand the market pattern better. With this we can get good opportunities in future also. Let's draw the level. At this level the market has created multiple support points, due to which support points can be created again at this level. If the market takes support again at this level, then we can get a good opportunity for buying again. Our goal has been achieved. Now we should close the trade. Guys, we are currently making a profit of more than $6,000. We had $4,131 in this account, which was grown by $10,000. We have generated this profit on small time frame. you should know how to read price action in the market, which makes a lot of work easier. See you guys in the next video. If you like the video, please like it. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.